So in this video we're going to look at the find and replace feature in Word. I'm in the Home tab here, and you'll see if I move right along to the far right hand side under the editing section, we've got this find and replace option. In this example I have spelt the word squirrel incorrectly. It should have been picked up by spell check. It hasn't for some reason, so I can see that I've spelt squirrel singular without a double R. You could use find and replace, for example, if maybe you had used human resources in full and you wanted to change that to HR, or perhaps you had been typing a report talking about pupils and you wanted to replace that every time you see the word pupil with the word student. In this example, we want to replace the incorrectly spelt squirrel with the correct way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the text where the spelling mistakes have occurred. I'm going to go up to replace, click straight on replace, and you can see it's asking to find what. In this case I want to type in the incorrectly spelt squirrel. In fact, I'll do this without the capital S here, and I'm going to replace with the correct spelling of squirrel, and I want to replace every one that's been spelled incorrectly. So I'm just going to click on replace all, and you'll see it's found 5. Do you want to search the rest of your document? Might as well just say yes, click on yes. 5 replacements. Do you want to continue? No. And there you have. I'm going to close that down, and you will see that the squirrel has now been spelt correctly. Hope that helps.